Hey guys, it's Jamie here. I'm back with a very short video on how to make these hidden paper clips super quickly. So it's the same basic style of hidden paper clip that I've done before, but I came across a video and I'll link their details in the description if I can find the channel again, where they mass made them, and it was so fast, it was so genius. I thought, why haven't I thought of this? And my next thought was do it and possibly film it and show other people how to do it. So I've made a few for my mum's boho journal, which is my next project. That's using the Peacock printable from Magpie Printables. And I've done a few for Helena's journal, which is nearly finished now. And there's a competition relating to that coming up very shortly. So if you're not subscribed, why not? The competition's going to be awesome, so do subscribe. Some of these were also from Magpie Printables, but it was their Something Wicked kit. So as you can see, slightly different styles and sizes, but the basics are the same. And we're going to go back in time so you can see how it came together. This is going to be a super short video, guys. Really doesn't take long at all. I'm going to demonstrate using some boho type paper, glittery as well. Woohoo! A bit different for me. The channel I was watching, I'm spinning through this as quickly as possible, I promise. Instead of making your own collage like I did, recommended that the quickest way to do it would be to use a paper that already has a collage-y type background, and that saves you even more time. So this really is time-saving, mass-making type stuff. Right, paper clips, book page. So I've already folded this. I need a couple of these. Oh, there's one. And what you're looking to do is just glue your book page together so that, yeah, I'm trying to think, that way when you fold it, it will be the same depth or slightly deeper, because you can always trim it, than the paper that's going on the top. In editing, I will cut out all the boring bits for you, like how to glue two pages together to make a slightly bigger page. This is already folded, so now what we need to do is fold this one in half that way, and then it's pretty straightforward. Grab some paper clips. You're just going to put them on here. I'm going to do it long side down. You don't even have to space them evenly, to be honest, because that will just give you variety in the paper clips that you're going to produce. That will get me 4 huge bases. Then what we do, so easy, this is ridiculous. Wish I'd thought of it. Grab our glue and cover your paper. I'm going to use Fabri-Tac. You could use a tacky glue or a hot glue. We're going to use the stronger glue actually on the paper clip itself and just around the paper clip. We'll try and keep the paper clips straightish, bringing that up to that crease as much as you can. Bring that over and basically press it all down. On the other side, repeat. You will need to let these dry quite well. If you're not using plastic coated ones, you can dry them in the oven at 200°C for about 15 minutes if you're using the metal ones. Plastic coated ones, you could stick them on a hot radiator, that type of thing, and give them a good 15 minutes, half an hour to fully dry off. Everything's super dry and crispy. Now you can actually feel, and I can even see where the paper clips are. You can quite easily cut between them. Between them would be about here. I'm not measuring because, like I say, you don't want every single one to look the same anyway. And then you're just going to cut them all up. Trim off that excess. I like to have rounded corners because it just looks better. If you've never seen an altered paper clip before, you can now see that the paper clip's hidden, and that would go over a book page like that. Well, that was it. I mean, it was short, The trick that I was talking about was to use a Stabilo pencil to outline and then with a damp finger just smudge it, and it will help pop your detail out from your background when you come to do the decorating. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps other people see the video, and leave me a comment as to what you think of this very quick way of making hidden paper clips. And don't forget to subscribe, because details of the big competition are coming up within the next few days. And I will see you next time.